Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 problems that people run into when using Scratch, and how to fix them. Scratch is a great programming tool for beginners and experts alike, but like any software, it can have its quirks. Here are the top 5 problems that we see people run into when using Scratch. Number 1, slow loading times. If you're working on a large project with lots of images and sounds, Scratch can take a while to load or even crash. The solution is to optimize your project by reducing the size of your images and sounds, and organizing your code into smaller, reusable scripts. Number 2, glitches with sound effects. Sometimes when you add sound effects to your Scratch project, they may not play correctly or at all. This can be due to issues with the sound files themselves or with Scratch's built-in sound player. To fix this, try using smaller sound files or testing your project on a different computer. Number 3, the white screen of death. This is when you try to load a project and all you see is a white screen. It's usually caused by a problem with the project's code or by a server error on Scratch's end. The solution is to try loading the project again later, or to use the See Inside feature to check for and fix any errors in the code. Number 4, issues with the broadcast block. The broadcast block is a powerful tool in Scratch that allows you to send messages between different sprites and scripts. However, it can sometimes cause problems if you're not careful. To avoid issues, make sure you name your broadcasts clearly and only use them when necessary. Number 5, random errors and bugs. Sometimes when you're using Scratch, you may encounter a problem that doesn't fit into any of the other categories. This can be frustrating, but the good news is that many of these issues can be solved by updating Scratch to the latest version, clearing your browser cache, or restarting your computer. And there you have it, the top 5 problems that people encounter when using Scratch. We hope that this video has been helpful, and that you can use these tips to make your Scratch projects even better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.